wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best dash cams for motorcycles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, the Meknic A7 records high-quality videos and comes with a secure permanent mounting system that you can swap that out for action cam style ones if you're worried about potential camera theft. Please note though, its monitor must be removed when it's raining. It offers good night vision and a multi-language menu interface. However, it must be hardwired in order to transfer files. At number 5, the blueskysea DV188 has a G-sensor that will automatically lock videos from a crash and prevent deletion, so you don't have to worry about it continuing to loop record and save over vital files that you may need in court at a later date. It offers a simple setup and installation and adjustable vibration reduction, but the monitor is not water resistant. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the innovv C5 has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that allows it to transmit videos to your smartphone, where you can view them in real time. It comes with a variety of different cable lengths to make installation easy, no matter the size and type of your bike. It features a tough solid aluminum lens case, a compact DVR unit, and a time-lapse mode for scenic rides. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dash cams for motorcycles, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the halocam M1 comes with 2 cameras, one for the front and one for the rear, both of which have a large aperture that gives them excellent night vision. It allows you to choose from 3 different power sources, the ignition switch, the headlight, or a battery bank. It includes a waterproof monitor sleeve, a GPS antenna, and seamless loop recording. At number 2, every component of the blueskysea DV688 is fully waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting caught in an unexpected rainstorm. Plus, its 2 included cameras are compact, allowing for discreet placement on your bike. It locks crash videos automatically and is equipped with a glare-reducing lens. It works with GoPro-style mounts too. And taking the top spot on our list, the innovv K2 is definitely pricey, but it comes with some great features that justify the cost. It tags all of your videos with speed and location data, and has a smart parking mode that will automatically monitor your ride when you're away from it. It takes full HD recordings and has a companion app for Android and iOS devices. It accepts up to 128GB microSD cards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dash cams for motorcycles, or simply click beneath this video.